And what is happening in Mali is to prepare the way for Algeria. They're coming after you to punish you for what you did to them in the years when your grandfather and your father fought against the French colonial rule. Because Algeria has this backbone of steel to wage jihad against France, that is why I expect Algeria to send more than any other country in the Maghreb to join that army. But you have to be careful in Algeria. And I pray that these words of mine will reach you in Algeria. If you find an Islamic movement in Algeria whose leader goes to Qatar, he's in Qatar, and he's leading the Islamic movement in Algeria, or he's in Saudi Arabia, and he's taking funds from Saudi Arabia and Qatar, and he's getting advisors from Washington. Are you going to support that Islamic movement? No, you're not. We say to you, such Muslims, who are perhaps about to launch the jihad in Algeria that they did in Libya, and they're now doing in Syria, because that's what's coming for Algeria.